Do you love keeping your ride clean and protected? Then check this out. Now, before we torch the hood of this car, we applied an advanced ceramic coating formula called Fortify Quick Coat by Shine Armor. This is an all-in-one detailer that cleans, shines, and protects in one simple application. Hey, I'm Travis, and I want to show you the secret to getting a professional grade wash, mirror-like shine, and impenetrable protection in just minutes. Listen, if you're still detailing your car with buckets, water, soaps, and waxes, then you need to keep listening. Why? Because what I'm about to share with you has changed the way that millions of people worldwide detail their ride. But before I share this game-changing detailing secret, I just want to know, do you still wash your car regularly but can't seem to fight off dirt, grease, grime, bugs, all that? Doesn't it seem like it just builds right back up days later? Seriously, such a waste of time and money. But why? Well, because you get attacked by harmful contaminants and harsh elements every time you drive your car. You've probably experienced it all, from bird droppings, bugs, tree sap, acidic rain, and the harsh summer heat. And the truth is, traditional detailing products like car waxes aren't even engineered to protect against any of that. In fact, wax melts at 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So for those summer months, you might as well stop waxing. Because what's the point? I mean, really, what is the point? But what are you supposed to do to make sure that your ride is cleaned and protected for long periods of time? Well, most people hire professional detailers. But let's face it, who has the money to fork out hundreds of dollars every month for that? Not to mention, detailing should be rewarding. Man, detailing is fun, and it's a hobby that you can take pride in. But at-home traditional detailing products, they're really just not proven to work. And that's exactly why the team at Shine Armor carefully engineered a powerful one-step detailing solution that uses innovative chemicals for a safe, easy-to-use, and long-lasting formula. Now, you're probably wondering what makes Fortify Quick Coat so much better than any other product. Well, here's the big secret. Fortify Quick Coat uses advanced nanotechnology formulations, which basically means that it can deeply penetrate into your vehicle surfaces where other products can't. This lab-engineered formulation produces an emulsification process that easily lifts contaminants, all while simultaneously layering your surface with a powerful ceramic coating. But enough of the science. Let me show you how it works. You can see here how you simply spray Fortify Quick Coat on your car and wipe it with a damp microfiber towel to remove contaminants. Then buff it out with a clean towel. It's just that easy. Notice how quick and easy it is to wash your surface with no added water. To be honest, that's not even the truly remarkable thing about Fortify Quick Coat. What really separates this product from everything else on the market is the powerful protection that your car's surface is left with. Just watch right here as water slides right off. Bird, dirt, grease, grime, surface scratches, and more. They don't even stand a chance when you use Fortify Quick Coat. The surface of your car is literally armored up. But hey, don't just take it from me. With over 10,000 5-star reviews and hundreds of thousands of customers worldwide, Shine Armor's Fortify Quick Coat has become a DIY detailer's dream come true. One of our customers even says,
"This was very easy to apply. Took about 20 minutes to do my truck. It looked great, but what I really like is I've been in 2 rainstorms driving on the interstate, and it all shines like before, and it maintains a stay clean look. No need for me to try a competitor product because this checks all the products. Thanks, Shine Armor."
But at the end of the day, what makes us the most happy is when we get reviews like this.
All right, y'all, check out my ride right here. You see my baby? Hella clean, right? Look at these rims, look at these rims. Oh, look at that reflection. You know what I use? Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. I can't thank these guys enough for making this product right here. I've tried so many different products on my ride, and it's just taking me hours, and I mean hours, cleaning up this whole thing. You look at this truck right here, and you may not think that I use this for off-roading, but I do. And I get it this clean. Oh no, this thing is the best. Shine Armor, thank y'all so much for making this thing. I've had such a breeze cleaning up my ride.
And if you're not completely in love with Fortify Quick Coat, we offer a full 100% money back guarantee. Anytime within 30 days of purchasing that you aren't 100% satisfied, we will refund your money. No questions asked. But I gotta say, our customers rarely ever want a refund. In fact, our customers always want to come back for more. Even worldwide customers love to buy from us because our American-made products are guaranteed to be quality and ethically produced every single time. Now, before we go any further, I want to say thank you for your time and offer you something big. Just please, don't share this with anyone else. By clicking right here, right now, you can get instant access to our massive deals of up to 60% off, plus a little something for free. Like I mentioned before, our customers rarely ask for a refund and they always come back for more, which is why I strongly suggest that you take advantage of the best seller bundle. Trust me when I say this, customers always come back asking for a deal, but we can't run deals like this every day, especially when stock is extremely limited due to our massive TV exposure. So take my advice, click now and take advantage of the free shipping plus massive savings on the bestseller bundle. Or if you have multiple cars, we suggest going one step bigger and locking in with even more savings with the best value bundle. Simply click below and unlock exclusive savings. But if you wait any longer, then you might miss out on this limited time offer. But not only that, the longer you wait, the more your car is exposed to the harsh elements and contaminants, which basically means that more money being spent on getting your car detailed every day, or whatever it is that you do. Those products don't work anyway. So take advantage of this risk-free offer, because once you leave this video, this exclusive deal is closed.